It's called the Headband Wig from them. So this headband is actually attached to the wig. So for all my ladies that always say, I don't want to wear lace, I don't like lace, it's too hot for lace, you can definitely go ahead and opt in for this wig, okay? When I say ladies, I'm ladies, okay? I hate lace right now, but I still have to wear it. So it's nice, it's comfortable, I love the curl on it, there's a lot of combs in it, a lot of security, and it makes life 10 times easier for you guys. So there are a lot of options to choose from. You have this cute bandana print, you have a basic gray, which is my favorite, a basic black, and then you have this really cute bedazzled headband. So I'm going to show you guys how each
from the back as well. And next, just showing you how it would look if you added a headband on top of the black part, which is another option. Still super cute, y'all. So next, just showing you how it looks with a high ponytail. This wig is very easy to throw up in a ponytail if need be. Great for working out, or if you just don't feel like having any hair on your neck or anything like that being bothered for the day. Still looks really natural. And then just twisting it up in a bun just to show you how it looks. I'm not the biggest fan of putting headband wigs into a bun because of that hump back there, but either way, if you had a Zoom call or something, at least you look good from the front. So next, just going into a different style, and probably one of my most favorite styles that I've done with wearing a headband wig, and that is this really cute half up, half down. Y'all, I felt like I was like in the 90s all over again. I absolutely love this style because I wore my hair like this all the time back in the day. And here's another really cute style as well, a little bit more fun.
Wow.